Sherlita Best, Community Services Administrator with the Housing and Community Development Department. We have a variety of different things that we serve our residents throughout the city. That includes transit, neighborhood services, housing services, community development, and so much more. We have a direct impact on our community by being able to connect our residents with resources that they may not realize. For eligible residents, the city has a home repair program where we can assist with homing, we can replace AC equipment, and we can also provide a variety of different emergency repairs if your AC goes out, or maybe you need other extensive repairs that takes place. So we do have that program. Other resources that we have, if we have a person that is in need of emergency rental or maybe even mortgage assistance, we have had those programs to be able to assist. And when we can't do that through the city, the information referrals that we have with our partners, we're able to partner with other nonprofit organizations to be able to help our elderly and others that are in need. One of the great success stories that we've had has been recently. For the first time, we had an opportunity to have a community connections information fair in City Hall. And it really transformed the way many people who came out. We had over 80 people that came that got a chance to not only learn about the fire department, but also some of the other nonprofit organizations, including our city staff departments, to be able to learn about what we do. And it gave them a chance to connect with City Hall in a way that they probably didn't before. They had a chance to learn where City Council conducted business. They had a chance for many people who lived in the area and didn't realize that this was a City Hall location, and they really felt more connected to their local government. And that was a fantastic way not only for them to get information, but also for us to really touch base with our residents. Through the goals of our department, we want to ensure that we are servicing the best for our residents. We want to be able to make those community connections. We want to ensure that we have the grant funding resources to be able to assist, and to also empower our residents with information so that they can continue the great daily lives that they have in our city. For more information about our department, you can contact us through our website at mckinneytexas.org, or you can reach us by phone at 972-547-7572.